Yo, how we doing?
Lead singer.
You know who that is? Do you know who that is, Timmy Styles Channel?
Jackson from the Elevators. Let's go.
Let's go.
How'd it feel?
That was interesting, to say the least.
Yeah! Woo!
Like the flowers that grow, ooh, grow like the flowers.
Yeah, you got it. Put on the crack.
Send it, bud.
Conscious of why we're something you lost it. Feel that home we're coming back. Get where I'm going, and to get where I'm going, gotta get close somehow, close somehow.
Whoa.
No money?
It's La Moolah.
Yeah, I grabbed the whole thing. Oh, shit. Get out of here.
Does anyone else have to suck this hard for a damn milkshake?
Does anyone else have to suck this hard for a damn milkshake?
Oh shit! Oh, get down.
Your dad is not a big fan of you, I guess.
Hey, what's happening? Pete Fakai's in here. We get the rainbow in a box. We get the three-prong attacked. And we get the Popo magnet. That's the end of the show right there. So we got 36, 30, 30. So that's 60, 96, and then what do we get in the end?
19.
Yeah, so we get 96 plus 19. Who's got the math on that?
Kyle, what's 96 plus 19?
I'm saying like 116.
That's the answer.
Oh, 115. I was off one.
Back.
Let's go.
Number one.
Sorry.
Number two for you. Number two. There we go. This is the finale. Child walk. It's the finale. Come on. Got it. Go.
A little bit of time.
Hold on.
It's
Timmy
a
is going to
bug
look at, what is that? Is that Papa's?
It's like a bug.
Papa's zapper. Okay, but Timmy, what does the zapper do?
It like zaps and kills the bugs. Like,
Okay, I got great fireworks going off in the background.
See, it's
by the
like-
way. Ooh, look at that! Look at that! Show it
Don't
again.
touch it.
Oh!
Okay,
Don't
now
light
I'm
that
gonna
thing on
touch it. Now I'm
fire.
gonna touch it. No, I'm gonna touch it.
Timmy, don't. That's not safe. Ah! Timmy,
Oh,
that's
you're
safe.
bullshit.
No, Timmy, don't do that.
Wait, now watch
Hold
this.
on,
This
hold
guy's
on.
crazy, alright?
This guy's nuts.